Okay, here's the wiring outside the house. It's got a disconnect on there already. It's a GFI. Runs down, and it's not connected to the house, so it probably needs to be screwed down. Goes in the cable there, takes a right-hand turn, goes into the hot tub. And here's the wire. It is 4-conductor, or 3-conductor with a ground. And it goes into the box in there. And then I'll show you what's inside the house. Okay, so there's the back side of it. Probably needs a squirt of great stuff or something for insulation. The wire comes up around Staples. Staples has a big loop so we can use extra here. But here's the box here. It used to come in here, and we used one leg to power this breaker for the pool. So I need to somehow get the 220 back in there and also send the 220 back to the hot tub as well too. So there may be an extra breaker or a double breaker or maybe a different box that I need. I don't know. But this is already all wired in here and outside for the outlets. So that's what I have, Steve. Thanks.